we are here for to discuss about this topic. Does public pressure improves democracy or it weakens decision making? So this side Gomti Nagar students are there and this side Matiari students. So I am just tossing the coin. You will call?
Heads.
Heads. Huh?
So I think you should.
I should on the floor. अच्छा ठीक है, let's do one thing. Three times I should toss it. ठीक है ना?
Not in hand, but sir.
हाँ?
Not in hand. It's a trick, sir.
अरे
I can tell you, sir.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. I am tossing again. They think that I am doing any kind of magic. ठीक है ना? What's your call?
Heads.
Heads. Again tail. They have said head, so basically they will think that they will ask question or they will give you chance to speak. Best as they have lost the toss. So you decide. So you are going to ask the very first question. So you want to ask the first question or you are giving them first chance to ask question? Give them?
Give them.
Yes.
What do you want to hear?
ठीक है ना?
Good evening everyone. I am Shweta Misra. I hope you are doing well, and as you know that we are having a debate session on the topic of does public pressure improve democracy or it weakens decision making, and we are in favor of public pressure improve democracy, and now I am going to raise one point for my team, and public pressure is improved democracy. As we know that we see the Jantar Mantar protest, and now students are doing protest for the NEET paper leak, and that is good because our government is not taking any decision, so that's why it is good.
Sir, as Shweta said, first of all, my name is Anish Verma. So as Shweta said that there's a NEET paper leaked. Government have an opportunity there 2-3 times. Paper was leaking past, we have seen. So government have an opportunity. They can set a paper by online mode, and they can take more steps. But they haven't taken, and they have taken also by banning the Telegram app for I think 2-3 days. But then also the paper have leaked. So protest is good. It is good that they are doing.
My name is Umesh. I am against that public pressure weakens democracy in country like India, that is which has such diversity. So you take the example of you gave the example of Jantar Mantar. So I will say about that. You guys said that the government banned the Telegram. Government banned the Telegram in recent NEET because the paper can't circulate on the Telegram. Earlier they don't, and you have to remember that how this time paper got leaked. Paper setter itself leaked the paper. How you can control that system? What is our current topic is that's why we are against because that backdrop. Because suppose if I am in government or if I am a decision maker, every time I have to see your opinion. Public opinion is what we say expressed in democracy by one time, majorly by election. In election you express your public opinion and then you choose the government. If every time if I am in a government and every time I will inquire of your opinion, then how will I take decision? Every time I have to give the referendum. We have to carry out a referendum that I am going to take a decision and please suggest me what I have to do. Suppose I have an emergency measure like Operation Sindoor. I will seek your opinion. Then that time will be lost. So in democracy, especially a country like India where there is so much diversity, you can't satisfy every section of the society. Government has taken the measure. It may not satisfy you. You can change the government after 5 years. But every time you come on the road to express your opinion, that is mobocracy, not democracy. It is a mob. And mob can't pressurize the government. People, if you don't have a leader who is governing you, you lose the leader in the mean battle. One guy is busy in different thing and he is expelled also. So that's the problem. If every time you seek in democracy, if every time a decision maker seeks your opinion, then he can't take swift decision. He can't take appropriate decision every time.
But the democracy means is the government is for the people, to the people, and by the people. If government will not work for the people, then people have to raise their point. That's why in under Article 20 there is a right as given that freedom of speech.
No, that is
That's
in
why
Article
people.
19.
It's also in Article 20, and there is a freedom of expression. Yeah.
Please check out. And yes, first
So we
complete
are
your
not
point.
talking.
Complete your point.
Just like under article we have the right freedom of expression. If the government will not work according to us, then we have to raise their point. And every time there is no protest happened, when it becomes more happy, if the government can conduct a toughest exam, then how can the paper can leak? Students study 15 to 16 hours for this exam. If the paper get leaked, then how they can believe on the government? And between 5 years they have to choose a government. But if they choose the government and the government are not working according to them, they make many of the promises to them, but they are not working, so they have to raise the point.
How you will change the government meanwhile? Between 5 years, how will you change the government?
But we can change the decisions of the government by raising our voice. That's why we have the freedom.
Okay.
Of
You
the-
have a freedom of speech and expression, but there
Yeah.
is a restriction. That is called reasonable restriction. No freedom is absolute. You know that there is no freedom, absolute freedom. There are restrictions. You read the 19.1, but you not read the 19.2. That tell about the reasonable restriction. Government can restrict your freedom in the favor of law and order. You violated the law and order of the Delhi. That is a NCR region. That is high security zone where different people are living, foreigners. There are embassies are there. You are what we say. You are expressing the image of the India in the NCR region. You know the high security zone. You are marching towards the parliament. What you want to achieve by marching the parliament? You want to rule the parliament by marching the parliament.
When government is not listening, then they came to a Jantar Mantar, and there is also a lathi charge. There was a peaceful protest, but they do a lathi charge on the students, and they also said them are anti-nationalist. Is they are
Yes, sir. As you said, na, कि they said कि there are a lot of the anti-nationalist persons were there, na. That's absolutely. Sir, it's maybe possible कि they were in there, na. So because many people are just saying they have slogans like people who are involved in the slogans like कि भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे, and that's it. This is the not way of the protest. You can protest because you have na कि rights to protect, but this is not the correct way. And ma'am, one more thing I want to say कि we have since a few years back like the farmer protest. So na कि farmers were protesting, yes they have rights, but na कि they don't have a right to block the like the national highways. We are exploiting our democracy, we are destroying our country, we are moving towards na कि, to downlift our country, not uplift. This is the problem.
So when the paper get leaked, they are uplifting the country. If they conduct at India's toughest exam, then how can they not manage the paper?
Government is not totally involved in such type of the activities. They have na, they are the government. They have like the higher authorities. They are the higher authorities. But what the paper setter is doing na, there are the too many loopholes in the like the processes. So you can't say that government is involved in these activities.
Just I'm giving you one scenario. If you are doing anything wrong, then you got fired from the company. But if you are doing anything, if you are like Sansad and anything, and you are not got any punishment, then what you choose? Like not protesting or just continue with government for 5 years?
Ma'am, the thing is कि you elected the peoples. You elected the peoples in the parliament. Companies are the different thing. You have right, but you can't say directly na कि I am just who's the like the Sansad Bhavan Sag like that to impose our the words, to impose our the thoughts. We have options, but this is the not the correct way.
But whatever you do, I'm not just continue with like 5 years. I will wait. I will choose next parliament member after 5 years. We have rights. We will change your wrong opinion. come out our homes, we will protest, and we have right to raise our voices. Now, yeah.
Yes, you have a right. And in your opinion, who will make the change? Who will make the change? Suppose who will make the change? You protested. You can make the law.
As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, the main pillars, yeah, thank you. And the main pillars of India is youth. As you agree with my
It
point.
is not only pillar.
Okay.
At least you need 2 tires to run a bicycle, or at least you need 2 pillars. No pillar, one pillar may be important, but you need other pillars also. है ना? What I want to say, if you suppose you protested, but you can't make the law, who will make the law? Finally, the parliamentarian will have to make the law. You are pressurizing their opinion. That is, if you are working as a pressure group, that is a different thing. But every time you are on the road to pressurize the decision, then you are leading towards anarchy. Then that is not democracy, it is anarchy. Every time if a decision is made and you are on the road, है ना? Paper got leaked. Everybody wants that paper should not be leaked. No different opinion on that. But what is the way of changing? If government is sleeping, then they make the change. You said that somewhere in a company, if you do anything wrong, you will be fired. है ना? Suppose is an example of TCS. There is a bad thing is happening. You know about that thing. There is a conversion going on.
Yeah, I got
You think that CEO of TCS should be expelled? Who will take responsibility? CEO is still there.
But
Who
they
will-
take-
they expelled that. No? That is why the director of the NTA is removed, not the president. Suppose I drive the car without. Oh, sorry, drive without helmet. Drive the bicycle without helmet. I will be charged. Not my parent will be charged. है ना? I will be charged by the different section of the penal code, but not my parents. That is my responsibility. Na? NTA chief got removed. He got said. Every time you can't seek the resignation of the minister because he is not directly involved in the leaking. Either you charge that the Dharmendra Pradhan is directly involved in the leaking of the paper, then it is different matter. If he is if he is monitoring the condition, he is a helm of the affair, but he is not exactly leaking. And in this case, who paper setter leaked the paper? How you can control the paper setter leaking? If he decide to leak the paper, he paper setter in this case, है ना?
So why they become a education minister? Education minister means that they have to handle everything there. And as you told that he is not directly involved in this. So if the crime happened in the society, so we already blame the government, not these people who did the crime.
You will blame the government.
Yeah, because
if there is a crime.
See, sir. See, sir, actually you raises the point about a TCS, about a TCS CEO, that TCS CEO is not got punished because he is not involved. Okay, but if we see about a NEET paper leak, it is not happened first time. Okay, it happened 2-3 times also before also. Okay, and in multiple times. Okay, so it has education minister have a responsibility that he have to look in that matter. Why he is not looking in that matter? If he is looking, then also the paper is getting leaked. So what about that? In that TCS company, you have raised the point. CEO doesn't know about that thing. The
You think
conversion.
Dharmendra Pradhan will know about the paper leaking?
No, Dharmendra Pradhan knows, na. But
Knows.
he knows about that paper is got leaked, and multiple times it got leaked. Okay. SSC serial also, and
leaking bodies and NTA, not
No.
not
What I am saying, after leaking the paper, Dharmendra Pradhan knows that paper got leaked. After doing the conversion, CEO of TCS got know that there is conversion going on. After event, everybody knows. But before event,
But-
if they know, then.
as you told na that TCS CEO he knows. So
No, he don't know.
He don't know na. But
Yes.
after when that news got leaked, okay. So then he knows. Okay,
Yes.
like that. When the NEET paper leaked, he got the news. Okay, then why should he not started an investigation? And he started the investigation.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, no,
but
yes.
not given the punishment and not all the things.
In investigation, nobody get punishment. Punishment is of a different authority. It is for court.
So goes na.
Minister can't punish
But
anybody.
again and again it's happening.
So
then students should have to come on the roads, na?
Suppose murder is going on and on, students should come on the road.
No,
to
murder is a
stop the
different
murder.
thing. Okay, murder is a
It is a
different thing.
crime. It is a crime.
They should take steps, na, how to take paper. Like they should start the steps by online mode, like they're in SSC and they're in multiple JEE exam that are in online mode.
Online paper got never leaked.
Public pressure is important because sometimes politicians forget this is the democracy country. They try to use their power firstly, like if the politicians any family person did wrong something, they will save their person, but it not happen in general public. That's why the sometimes people should do pressure to realize this is the democracy country.
Sir, she wants to say something.
Yes.
Protest, in your opinion, protest is right, but there are ways of protest. Like, do you know about Gandhian protest? Like
Gandhi March.
Yes, Gandhi March things. What is your opinion on that?
We are not talking about the ways here. We are talking about the public pressure. Public pressure can be created through a definite way.
Yeah, but there is ways to do that.
So I am telling now, public pressure can be created through a definite way. We are not talking about
basically you
the
are
way.
saying that
You are
basically.
supporting the violence. You are supporting the violence.
No.
First of all, the way of protest always matter. Before the independence of the India, in every region of the India, there was a riot happening. Everyone was having a revolt over there. But it was not working because, and Gandhi also said that, everyone is fighting, but they are not fighting united, because they were always having the protest and the revolt in their way. But if they were not united, so it was not working. Britisher was having a control over the society, and they know that they 10 people are fighting there, 10 people are fighting there. But when the hundreds of coming after that, then it's become more efficient. So you can't say that the way of protest doesn't matter.
As you told that the people were not united there. So tell me.
As she
I
also
want
said
to
that
add something.
she's asking question, I am answering the
way-
question, and I asked the
also-
question. You are just skipping on the question and asking you different.
Listen, one thing. The thing that the public pressure can be created through a definite way. That not the protesting, creating a violence. I am saying. The way I am saying, public pressure can be created through a.
You know that there is a
Definitely.
word called opposition in the parliament. There is a opposition. For what he is there? For what it is there? There is a government, there is a opposition. For what purpose there? If you are opposition,
If
then
the
what for-
opposition
they
is
are-
not strong.
they are lying ideal.
Corruption is happening.
If the opposition is not able to raise the good points and they are not.
You don't believe government, you don't believe opposition, then whom you believe?
Sir,
You don't
the
believe-
topic is public pressure can change the democracy, improve the democracy or not. You are just. I'm telling you the fact. You guys are supporting the democracy
Yes.
again and again, and after that, when we are supporting, then we are just like.
The topic is not against the democracy. The topic is
As you said that we believe in government or not. Okay.
you should believe on at least opposition. You should not believe on government. At least believe on opposition.
We believe government, na. That's why we choose that. We have gave vote to them. We believe.
Then give him time.
But from 2-3 years, from past 2-3 years, we have seen multiple cases like that also. But then only, the students are coming on the road for protest.
Suppose if you sow the seed, you will wait for 2 months or 3 months, or still next day.
2 months and 3 months, you are saying a less time. Okay, we are seeing from 2-3 years. They can take action. They can take step. They can.
One thing I want to say. You said that why we are supporting the democracy. In second point I mentioned I gave the example of the UK, USA, that protest is a part of democracy, because she also said that to the people, by the people, for the people. Because we are the people, if we are not agreeing, we will do the debate. That time I give you the when it becomes sensible or logical, when the majority of the against of the government, because majority choose the government. If minority 2 or 3 people or these like 1 lakh 2 lakh are coming out of their houses, working on the standing on the street and doing the protest, then it does not make sense. Getting my point. The protest is a healthy part of the democracy. For running a good democracy, we should have the protest. Protest should be logical or what we can say efficient when the majority is against of that any work of the government. Okay. So we are not against of the government, democracy.
So public pressure, that you said that public pressure is a part of protest. You can create a public pressure through a definite sensible protest as well. We are not in a favor of insensible protest.
So you can guarantee that after this protest things will be changed for future.
But it will realize the government it will not happen again.
Can you be sure about this, that this is not, after this things is not going to happen? No, protest will be there. But if you will not create a way of protest, peaceful protest basically, then that will go in a wrong way.
So I told you, public pressure can be created through a peaceful, sensible process as well.
Actually, people try to make a peaceful protest, but the sir said about the opposition try to make a protest violence. So in that case, that the current government came under the pressure also, and all
First
the
thing,
things.
the opposition got interested at the 20th of June when they realized that protest is getting a very getting famous or getting a majority there. Also, I was about to talk one thing, but I forgot. Short-term memory loss. Wait, it was a good point, but I
give them charge also.
So
We are
I've asked,
giving
but
asking.
They will speak. I will speak. They don't want to speak.
That's my point. Yes, you may speak. It is not a national level debate.
Yes, I remember. Also, you are talking about the pressure. Okay, one thing I want to mention that there was a very recent debate of the Harsh Dubey on the news channel. He put a very good point there. Like a lot of people are talking about this NEET league protest, exchange of the resignation of the Dharmendra Pradhan. But what he said, that it doesn't going to change anything or doesn't going to affect the system because the system is rude. We have to change the system. And he also mentioned that, like, if we are pressurizing, government will definitely change the minister. It's very easy for them to change the minister. But how it will be guarantee that the new education minister will not going to do any kind of mistake. He mentioned that, like, a lot of system, like, if you are pressurizing, you are giving a pressure on me to quit this academy. In 2 or 3 days, I will quit this academy. But it can be have a negative effect or positive effect. To make a efficient and logical decision, we need time. That's why our judiciary system has a line also.
But why we are wasting our time if we have right to
Just
raise
one line,
our voice?
one last line. That's why our judiciary system is very slow. Yet it is considered one of the most efficient system, but still it is slow because the judges says that we can have the delay in the justice, but if we try to do always give the instant justice, there will be chances of very much higher.
You have 3 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you have to say. You have to speak and happy minutes. Okay? Have 3 minutes, nobody will blame.
But I want to say that we have right to raise our voice. If we don't raise our voice, so how they know this is wrong? And if Dharmendra Pradhan is not wrong, so why they resign? Because they know this is not wrong, and the protest is, I think, it was going approx 30 days, and after that they realized this is wrong, and the protest was very peaceful. And if I talk about the 25th of July, 20 of July, they lathi charge. That's why students get violence.
Achha, you want, ma'am, during the process to force the like the ruling government or the oppositions? Just for the one question for you.
Sorry.
You want protest, you are doing the protest to pressurize the government or the opposition parties.
No, I don't want to that type of protest. I just want to, the NEET paper is not leaked. That's why they are.
No, sir. What are the oppositions are doing in the Lok Sabha?
First, we
The
want
thing.
to add something.
Yes.
Just wait a minute.
I think she wants to say that Sonam Wanchuk was slip of tongue. Sonam Wanchuk was
Fasting, yes.
he was doing a peaceful protest, okay, but after some days when police came and he started lathi charge, and they took that Sonam Wanchuk and to the hospital. So what about that? After they are doing peaceful protest, okay?
Okay. No.
But okay, ठीक है. But why the police has lathi charged? Students. After that, student got violent, na? After that, students got violent.
Okay.
The protest was going peaceful.
Suppose I gave a condition. Suppose there is my house. Mob of 2,000 is charging towards my house. Peacefully. 2,000 people are charging towards my house. Peacefully. Without any lathi, without any, suppose stone in their bag, they are charging 2,000 people or 4,000 people are charging peacefully towards my house. What will police, what police should do? What I expect police to do? Yes, what I expect police to do? Parliament is the house of MPs. No. They are charging towards the parliament. What I said, I gave you situation.
Police should first stop them, okay? They don't have to start lathi charge and all by.
Yes. They try to stop them by barricading. Then they jump over the barricading. What then police should do?
Actually, students were.
No. First, let's answer yes. What is the chronology of action? Police action should be. Yes.
After Sonam Wanchuk gone, they started lathi charge, na?
After?
Sonam Wanchuk has been admitted to the hospital. Then only.
No. When they marched toward the parliament, crossing the barricading, last barricading.
But last week, I think opposition's.
One day. Before day, Sonam Wangchuk was taken.
Before Sonam Wangchuk was taken, then the lathi charge was not there. If police want to lathi charge, they can lathi charge on Jantar Mantar. They can cordon off, they can beat
But
them.
Jantar Mantar is a place of protest, na?
No, but they can charge. What I'm saying, if suppose 10,000 people are charging towards my house, what I expect police to do?
Police should stop them.
Police should stop. By how?
They can firstly by peacefully, after that.
By peacefully.
By peacefully, first peacefully, after that by forcefully.
No.
After that forcefully.
How peacefully you can chop the aggressor? Yes. How peacefully can yes.
Our government should not take strict action. That's why students come on the road. Okay. And
in your opinion, what
Dharmendra
is
Pradhan, let me complete, sir.
Yes.
That's why Dharmendra Pradhan give the resign, because they know very well that they know very well this is wrong. Okay. And because we have a rights to speak, raise my voice. Okay. And sorry, I take some time.
Okay. But first you complete.
Okay. And because it's matter of our future. Okay. That's why we have to do the protest. Okay. And in India, day by day increase many problems and creating problems. Okay. Because our government not take strict action. Okay. In India, not safe girls. And we also I have a fear too when I go outside. Okay. Because I know maybe it happens with me, but I have no take justice, because you know very well in 2012 Nirbhaya rape case. Okay. She died, but Aftab in that time also he do the study. Okay. Because government should know very well he is do the crime. So this is what is law.
Okay. First, removing the Dharmendra Pradhan is not a strict action. It is the most easy action. You know, removing the Dharmendra government.
But why?
The education system is the most hardest.
What you
Changing
gave?
a person, like I can cheat one person, second person, but if system is like that, it's very easy.
You know that.
But sir, not only need paper leak.
Yes.
Day by day, many papers leak, and UP police and SSC, GED, and many sir.
No, in paper leak only government will not involve.
Responsibility of yes, because I have pay the fees. Okay. And
Let me say, in paper leak we cannot blame only on the government. There are many people are involved in this.
Also,
we are not.
he raised a point that the opposition is not good at the Lok Sabha. So first thing is that you get the power in every 5 years to make your opposition stronger. Okay, so if you are not having the trust in the opposition, that means if you are not like their duty, their job is to have discussion, debate, and they have much better understanding than common people. That's why we choose elect these ministers, so that they can put their opinions, thought, and they can do favor on the society. So if you are not giving the power of to the opposition, you just want the power on your hands. Then similarly, just like you, other also want the power on their hand. And if there are different minds are having the power, so there will always going to be clashes. Getting my point? Like that's why we unite and choose one government, one opposition, multiple opposition also there. But what their role is to, so that they can counter and oppose the government. So you are saying that opposition is not powerful. It's your responsibility. You are not supporting, or you are not giving your vote to opposition, so that they can get more powerful. Who wants?
Let them now, let them.
Have you seen the like Delhi Mukhyamantri case? And he was not involved, but he is in jail. So Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal.
I am not getting your point. Can you please elaborate? Can you please elaborate?
How this is connected?
Yes.
No, I'm telling that you are always talking about the like government or our judiciary system. Whatever they do all the things right. Okay, Arvind Kejriwal not involved anything, but he got in jail.
Okay.
But telling me if that is good.
First thing, the Kejriwal was having a very great power in the Delhi. Like he got 63 seats out of, I forgot the number.
Yeah.
But there were only
That's okay. That's okay.
Yes.
That's okay.
They were having a great power. But as soon they were losing their power, what they did start to change their ideology. Firstly, their motive was that we were never going to do any Hindu-Muslim thing, or we will never get ourselves into any religious. They said that we will give this much donation to the Waqf board, we will go to this temple. They start shaking on their ideology. After that, a lot of chain of events happened by which Aam Aadmi Party got weakened. Delhi Jala Kand, Delhi riots.
Yeah, I got it.
So the minister was a Muslim, and Aam Aadmi was defending him. If they were so much of their ideology that we are not going to do any Hindu-Muslim Kand, why they were defending them? Because he was having the power. With him, they were going to get the seat. So after he killed a lot of Hindus, still they are protecting them. This was the second. After that, a lot of there was a female, I forgot her name, with whom there was a case of the violence that they called into the office, and Swati Maliwal. So there was a chain of events by which Aam Aadmi was getting weakened and weakened day by day. And as an opposition, BJP is one of the strongest party. You can consider they are the strongest in the world also, the number of the supporters they have. But still, they were not able to defeat the Aam Aadmi Party. But as these events were happening, they also get the chance. And it always happens. If you are not working good and you are not united in yourself as a party, the opposition is always going to get the chance.
I'm telling you the one thing. If the government is not doing the right thing.
Last thing.
Yeah.
Please stick to the topic. We are again and again.
Yeah, I'm telling that. Yes. Why public pressure is important? Because the first thing is government is not taking action. Government is not taking action, and media is not raising their voice. So we have to create a public pressure.
So, just answer my question.
Yes.
Do
One
you
question now I will be taking from this side, one question from this side now.
do you sir, that means last?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the answers are basically not correlating.
Okay.
Everyone-
So Do you believe that sometime public pressure? Yeah.
It's a question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you all believe that sometime creating public pressure improves democracy? Sometimes, because in my opinion, sometimes improve democracy.
Sometime when majority is there.
So, can you tell me any case, any protest that?
One of the most famous case.
Like a farmer cases also.
Yes, Nirbhaya case, farmer.
That it means improve democracy, na?
When majority.
When majority is there. When majority is there. Okay.
Majority is there.
Wait. What I said, it improves when majority is there. You are taking only one word, it's improved. Take my whole sentence. Say my whole sentence. Okay?
No, I will tell. I think public pressure improves democracy. If government realize the pressure are legal, then in this case, pressure improves democracy.
That means you
When
believe.
the government realize this pressure is illegal.
That means you believe it.
In this,
So they believe that it improves democracy. Then how can
in
we
this
say
case,
it
only in
weakens?
this case, if the government realize this pressure is done by legal way.
Legal with majority.
Legal with majority, na?
I will give you example. Take the example. Take the example of Anna Hazare. No. I gave you positive example. Take the example of Anna Hazare movement.
So what movement?
Anna Hazare. Yes. What happened? No. What? Suppose I give you a positive example. What is the way of pressurizing the government? Anna Hazare movement. He doesn't topple the government. He created the environment for the next government. है ना? He created a movement against corruption. He never seek resignation of Manmohan Singh at that time. Next time when the election came, the new government came. A new party born in that movement. That is the positive way of pressurizing the government. You can change the government, but by running, when the government is running, then you have to give the time to government to run.
Actually, I want to say the topic is, does public pressure improves democracy,
Yes.
or it weakens decision making? Okay.
Yes, weekend decision.
Sir, listen. If it improves democracy, it's okay, good. ठीक है. When it weakens the decision making, then the government at that time government don't take any action at that time. Na protest is happening, it happens. So what about that?
What I am saying,
They give you the example. Like,
As he told, na Anna Hazare movement.
he waited for the time when the next election came. It weakens the democracy when you jump inside the government, between the 5 years. At least wait for 5 years.
So if we wait for 5 years, then we will face a crime, and whatever in 5 years, 5 times paper can get leaked. And many of the things can happen.
you know that whenever we one last whenever within a count to 10 seconds I will come to whenever we attack on the fundamentals of the democracy, it always causes disadvantage. For example, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, whenever they have the problem of the democracy change, they face the suppression and still they are facing the problems. So that's why we should never disrupt the foundation of democracy.
If the government is good, then they should listen the public voice and public pressure, because they have expert and lot of things. If the public is correct, then they should take actions.
I agree this again and again, telling again and again, you like
I'm telling
public
you, some
government always yes again and again she is repeating.
conclusion. I'm telling the conclusion simply.
You are in the loop. You don't want.
So
You can give the conclusion from your team, and we can give conclusion on our team. You can't give the conclusion from our both of them. If you are giving a conclusion, just say that I am giving a conclusion, because we will think that you are again going to
See. As your team member.
Concluding.
Okay. No, you are.
What are you telling?
As your team member said.
Okay, you want to tell a point.
As your team member agreed on that, sometimes public pressure improves democracy.
कोई और बोलेगा?
And if your team member is agreed, then you should correct him, na?
He agreed with terms like legally with an
legally with majority or with.
This is one of the I noticed this problem also. As I also said the point, you catch only the one part improves, not getting the whole sentence. Similarly, he also said that with legal system, you also again caught only one thing improves. not getting
You
the
also
human
come in on the one.
Last question from this side.
Dune versus Marvel.
Anybody?
I have a question.
Sir.
In your opinion, in Bangladesh, democracy improves or get it? Oh, sorry. In your opinion, in Bangladesh, this is a recent example. Crowd is ruling. Is democracy improved there or weakens in Bangladesh? In the example of Bangladesh,
Sir, but we are talking about our.
where India is mentioned.
Can you repeat the question?
In Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh.
In your opinion, in Bangladesh, in your opinion, democracy improves or today it is weakened?
According to me,
Yes, sir.
it is weakened.
So then the result is there.
Because there are some oppositions are there also, and they got a help by US government. I have heard that they are back end help. So in
Every
that
protest-
case,
every protest has backhand support of.
they have backhand support, na?
Yeah, every protest.
So
has-
in that, according to me, in Bangladesh scenario, I am telling about that.
That is the future of India. If you give
protesting enhance our democracy. If you
No. But some protest improves democracy, like labor protest. She told, na? Labor law protest. She told.
happens with the Nepal and Bangladesh right now. Just give my answer.
What?
Nepal and Bangladesh. Yes.
Nepal and Bangladesh.
he considered that weakens the democracy.
Why is in support with the like you
But-
protesting increase democracy?
Actually-
That time was majority.
You are also stuck on the one word majority.
Repeating that point, I give
As she is also repeating that.
example USA, UK, and rest of the example. I talk about the majority. I will give you many more.
So majority will be there, na? When the protest will be there will be majority.
I am favoring the Nirbhaya case. I am favoring the Nirbhaya case, and I said you, and I am telling you the reason why I am favoring the Nirbhaya case. Because at that time the majority of the India was against of the government, and they were asking for the law that there should be a law for the protection.
So that means that is a public pressure. Okay, that law
There
that democracy.
Not always like.
No, I have also not said that always. Sometimes I have used the word. Sometimes
yes.
it improves.
Yes,
That has
then
to
I am
be
okay.
the
That
question.
if you are saying sometimes, then I am.
It is the same thing that by stabbing, sometimes you kill, sometimes you.
So sometimes weakness is also.
Yeah, you are taking chance. You are taking sometimes in English. If you use the sometimes, how many probability? How much probability of sometimes is a vague term. No. Suppose there is 100 protest. How many times it will improve? How many times it will weaken? Suppose there is 100 protest.
So sometimes decision making also weakens.
What I am saying? What I am saying? Suppose I am breaking the rule. Sometime I will caught. Sometime I will not caught. What is the sometime? What is the probability of sometime? If you are what we say, we should drive on the left. Sometimes I drive on the right. Still I can reach my home. Sometimes I got accident.
I am talking about the law that can improve democracy.
Law?
By you are given example of driving, it cannot improve the democracy now.
No. What I am saying, I am using you are using the word sometimes.
Sometimes it will improve. Not always time. Not always,
Give me
because
example of where public pressure improves the democracy in any country. Give me an example.
Like we have given the example of the Nepal and Bangladesh where democracy got weak, and just give the example where it improved.
I will not
strengthen the democracy.
Yes.
Just give
Give
the example. Give the example. Simple.
in the past we have seen Gandhi ji. They used to protest, and we have seen they create a pressure also. Okay. Yeah.
Democracy. That time when the British were there, it was not democracy.
You need to understand things. You need to know things. At that time there was no democracy.
I'm little bit immature.
No. What is problem that in recent world there is no example of that the country. What is happening in Russia? You know that the country name USSR. Earlier,
Yeah, it was earlier. It was. There are many countries.
Their democratic movement demolished the whole country. Now Russia is now from whom he is fighting. That was the earlier part, Ukraine. Because it is a philosophy of Mikhail Gorbachev that he favors the pressurized group. That was if we surrender towards mob, है ना? Democracy can hear the wish of the people or will of the people, but they can't hear the mob. If you don't have a leader, you know, when you are marching towards the parliament, there was no leader. You have no leader. All your three leaders are different. Where? Then you that is a personal thing. But what is happen if a mob is marching towards you? Whom will you be?
I agree, sir. I agree your point that at that time police have to take action. Okay.
Not only police action. What happened generally in the case of Bangladesh? Bangladesh was a case why? Because you want to replace a person, है ना? You don't have a second option. You want to replace. Suppose you want to replace Dharmendra Pradhan. What will happen next? Who will become the next education minister?
Sir, we don't know na who will become the next education minister.
No, I know.
We don't know,
I know
who will become.
He will be the member of BJP. He will be the member of BJP.
Sir, but
He will not be
we can assume that na, but we cannot.
No, it is certain. It is in the government. It is in the government.
You can't take any person to be education minister.
You have to believe the present day government at last, because he has making law power. You can't make the law on the road or on the Jantar Mantar. At last you have to go to the parliament and from whom you want to charge. You want to, if you want to hear your voice, then you go to the opposition. You can, if you want, because the parliament is made for debate. Yes, you should speak.
That means we should follow rule and like anything
As a citizen, you should follow the law.
blindness without any transparency.
No, if there is a law, then you have to follow. It may be bad, it may be good. You can change the law, but you have to follow the law. You can't say that I don't like the law, so I will not find.
If person follows the law, then why he or she breaks the rules and regulation that they don't follow the traffic signals,
Yes,
or
yes.
they used to give bribe to the policeman?
You have, what I word used to, have to. Have to means you have a compulsion. If you don't follow the law, then law will take its own course.
Tell me one thing, if you choose a government for a 5 years,
Yes.
and he or she is not working properly, the promises that they had made,
Yes, yes.
they are not to fulfill this,
Yes.
then what will you do?
I will change the government.
No, you will wait for 5 years. You have
Majority can change the government.
No. What I am saying. What I am saying. No.
This is maybe your third or fourth time when she is telling this point.
no. He was saying that. I have to come. He was saying that we have to wait for a 5 years. So I was telling that.
Yes, I got it. I am answering. I am not saying that you are repeating again.
No,
I am answering it.
yeah.
Okay. So first thing is that whenever we elect a government, we need to give them a chance. If government elected, and how first of all you have to see their work. In a 5 duration of time, they need at least 2 or 3 years to judge their. We need a time to judge them that they are fulfilling their promises or they are working properly or not. Okay. So you can't say that if they are not working within a week, I'm going to change.
I'm not talking about within a week,
So,
but if they are not.
First of all, for average,
Yeah.
for 2 or 3 years, you have seen the government, you have seen they are not working well. Now you have 1 or 2 year more for them to re-elect. That time you can re-elect. It's simple.
But
You continue.
I'm telling that if they breed, for example, of paper, any of the crime happened, and it is happening again, we have to wait for 5 years. We have to raise the point now. So it's create a public pressure.
She wants to tell that. She is saying, don't change the education minister, but take any step na. Take the step that can make transparency. But no, they are not taking. Then why they are from 2 or 3 years they are leaking the paper?
As you put the pressure on the government, and he mentioned that resigning Dharmendra was replacing was easiest step. The toughest step was to change the system.
You should realize that they took many steps. You are not informed about that step. They took the step. They removed the NDA chief. They removed many persons in the NDA. They booked the person who is in the behind the bars who will leak the paper. There is a case going on.
But they don't do.
They don't do what they don't do.
They used to investigate, but they don't put behind the bars in like newspapers.
They put behind the the ball.
Like they are behind the ball.
You need to know that government can investigate. He can't judge. There is a different authority, that is judiciary, that will judge.
Before again it has happened. That's why they are protesting. Before the time they were not protesting against it, but now they are, because it is happening again and again.
They improve the system, they take the action. So first understand why the NTA came. NTA, the National Testing Authority, came because there was a whole much corruption going on in the state medical boards, state medical. So that now the system not working. You have to realize that the MP's job is to making the policy. Their job is not executing this. Executing authority is the mechanism that is called IAS, IPS. These are executing. You can judge the MP or MLA for policy. Earlier you raised the point of Arvind Kejriwal. He was behind the war. She raised the point. She was behind the war because she made the excise policy. His excise policy was challenged. He was not behind the bars as a CM. He was behind the bars due to the excise minister. He was holding the excise portfolio and his policy has a lacuna. If there is a policy matter, then MP and MLA are responsible. If the policy is good enough, but the execution is a bad part, then the burden goes to the business.
Government should make transparency between the all the things like public with government. They are not made transparency, so that's why people are confused. So they should make transparency.
If they curtail transparency, then people not leave. They made so much transparent that people not leave.
So in last, I just want to ask what, according to you, what's the conclusion?
Yes, you tell your conclusion. And one thing more. Thank you so much. This would be good for you. This is very surprising. You see, ma'am.
One book is there, na, sir?
No, not as a book. Thank you. Sir, for you, a special bottle is over there. I did not get the packet. No, I did not get the packet. I sent Karan sir whenever you will get the, and you can show to them also.
Okay.
It is a Milton bottle.
Okay. Then you can say.
It will be good for you, taking water.
ठंडा दोनों मौसम में काम
Check, go. Next, say. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हो गए ना. You want to speak? Why not? Sure.
It was a very wonderful experience for me, and I learned many new things. Because I don't see much news. I used to study because there's my exam, and I don't know about too much about politics, what is going the scenario. But I learned many new things here. I've heard. Thank you.
Very nice. Good. Sachin Yadav, you are already ready. My name is about to come. 1 minute, yes. Ashra. Thanks for coming, ma'am. Aishwarya, right? Gupta, sorry.